Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today's video is going to be a decorate with me for my Christmas tree. I'm so excited that this time of year is finally here. As you guys know, this is my favorite holiday. I absolutely love Halloween, but Christmas is like top best holiday. I made one of these videos last year, which I'll be linking down below for you guys if you guys want to go and watch. I did a gold, silver, and bronze theme. So this year, as you can see, I am going for kind of like a blue Christmas, teal, blues. I don't know exactly what I was going for. Honestly, this video is all over the place, and by all over the place, I mean it, because I literally put up the Christmas tree, put up all the ornaments, and then I didn't like how it turned out. So I decided to flock it. As you can see, it has kind of like that fake snow detail. I am obsessed with it. I've always wanted a flock tree, but those are the most expensive trees. This one, if you guys saw last year, is $25, $28, and now it looks like it could be $100, you know? But yeah, I bought a fake snow off of Amazon, which I'll be linking down below and showing you guys how I did it and the steps that I did to make it last, because literally it's like it's stuck there and I am obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this decorate with me. Let me know in the comments below which theme are you going for this Christmas, and let's get started. All right, so if you guys saw my last year's Christmas tree video, I put my Christmas tree in this area right here, which is where I have my bar carts. It's in between my office and living room. So this is where I'm planning on putting it again. I will be moving the bar cart and also decorating that, moving away all of the fall items. These are some of my ornaments and decorations that I've gotten. So let's get started and clear this area. So yeah, I'm just clearing up the area where I want the Christmas tree and putting all the ornaments on top of the table so I can get a better visual of everything, and then taking out my Christmas tree from my beloved little bag that I got from Amazon. I absolutely love this storage bag, which I'll be linking down below for you guys as well. At the beginning of the year, I showed you guys how I took down my Christmas tree and where I stored it, so I'll link that as well down below for you guys. But again, my Christmas tree is from Family Dollar and it was like $25 last year. Still mind blown. It's like 6.5 feet or 7, I forgot. But long story short, by me flocking it, it made it so much more expensive. So right now I'm just basically opening up the branches to make it fuller. Alright, so for this year, these are the decorations I'm going for. I kind of wanted to go for a blue Christmas, as you can see, but I was leaning towards more of a teal color like this one, and then I received these and they're a lot bluer than I was expecting, and then these tones are a little bit different. So I'm just going to basically try to play around with these colors and see how they come together. I'll be adding some items from last year's Christmas tree, which if you guys are interested, you can go and check it out. I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to know where everything is from. Last year I did a gold, bronze, and silver theme. So again, I might be using some of those, but I'll definitely be using up the lights that I used last year. Let me quickly go through the things that I bought this year, starting with these little houses. These are $3 from Target, and I got 3. I wanted to show you guys this little thing from last year, which I think it's a lifesaver, especially if you want to turn on and off your tree at night from bed. This I got from Amazon, I believe, and it brings a pack of 3, and you can easily just kind of like turn on and off from this little gadget. Also from Target, I got these twinkly lights, which will go with the little town with the houses. This I got to go in the bathroom. Some cones. These right here are from Home Good. I got a smaller one and then a bigger one right here. These two are from Marshall's, $7.99 and $9.99. Christmas balls or ornaments, I went for that teal and blue color scheme. These are glass teal ones from Michael's and I love them. I actually love getting ornaments from Michael's just because they're so kind of like unique and sophisticated looking. To fill up the tree, I got 2-pack of 50, which brought all tones of blues, not necessarily tones, but like different patterns and shape. These are glass. They were on sale, by the way, so I got 2 of those and then 2 of these, which are glass. And this one has to be one of my favorites because it brings different tones of blues, not necessarily too teal like the ones from Michael's, but I also love the detail. I'm going to show you guys later on. So yeah, I got 2 of those and then I love pine cones, so I got 2 packs from Michael's. This was from Target. I personally love picks to fill up the tree and also to put it on top of the Christmas tree. So these blue ones are from the 99-cent store. The silver ones are from Target for $3 each. And then these right here were from Michael's. Also from Michael's, I got this little like fake snow to decorate the little town that I'm planning on doing. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I got this year to decorate. I'm going to try my best to link everything down below for you guys, but let's get to decorating. Alright, so like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, this video is all over the place because I ended up putting up the tree, the lights, the ornaments, everything. And then once I finished, I ended up not liking the tree, so that's when I decided to do my research and find the powder that I found to flock the tree. So I still wanted to show you guys how I put up the lights. I basically start from the bottom to the top and go around and into the branches so it could be pretty lit up. I use these lights from Target, which I'll be linking down below for you guys. Love them. They have lasted me a really long time. And then once I get to the tippy top, I just go down all over again with the rest. Now for the ornaments, I also wanted to show you guys how I placed them because I basically just went all over the place with the blues first and then started going with the silvers. And I just wanted to show you guys what I did this time around because it's exactly the same. Once the tree has the fake snow that I got, you're gonna get it at the end of the video. But now for the picks, I just went and basically put them all the way to the top, and if they are loose, I ended up tying them together. On to the star of the show, the snow flock. This is the one that I went for on Amazon. I got the 2-pound one. At first I thought it wasn't going to be enough, but it was actually more than enough for my tree. They also have a much bigger one if you need it. But first step is basically taking a spray bottle water like this and spray it, and then with a sifter, a kitchen sifter, put the powder on it and then start basically snowing the tree. At the same time, start spraying it so it could stick. And that's basically all you do. You just spray and snow. Spray and snow. By the way, pro tip, definitely wear a mouth guard or something to cover your mouth with because it is very snowy, especially if it's windy. So I'm going to be linking one down below for you guys because I personally lost mine the day that I did this. So yeah, I'm just going to be tapping on the branches in case there's any like really chunky parts, and then continue to do so. And the last step is going to be spraying water, and that's going to seal it. So that's what it looks like inside. I feel like it looks a lot better in person than what it does with the ring light. I feel like the ring light definitely washes it out, but I'm going to be putting these snowballs all around the Christmas tree and then basically doing the same steps that I did before and putting the ornaments. By the way, I totally forgot to mention, but I did take the lights out before putting the snow flock and then put them back on the same way, you know, from bottom up, and now putting the ornaments. Let it snow. Honestly, you guys, to me this made such a huge difference, especially compared to the beginning part of the video. I just feel like it honestly completed it and made it look a lot more expensive and fuller. So now moving on to my little shelf right here that I have on top of my couch or on the side of my couch. I'm just going to take the fake snow that I got from Michael's and placing it on top, and then putting my little pine cones and houses to make a little town. Then just putting these string lights that I got from Target. These were only $6 and they're so good. You can also wrap them around the trees if you want, but I just basically went around the little town. Alright, so that was basically it for my Decorate With Me video this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found some inspo. Let me know in the comments below if you guys liked it. Also, let me know which theme you're going for this year. And as always, I'm going to do my best to link everything down below. But thank you so much for watching and happy holidays.
Let it go.